Okay, William and I just got back from a bike ride, and William, you have a message for everyone?
Yeah, we went 3 kilometers on the bike ride, and we're going to a cabin in Kenora.
Yeah.
And I got this boat today, and it's it's a Black Series. That's one of the best things.
Do you want to show us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, look at this. Number 36, the Black Series, you can see.
Yeah.
And it says dual prop, battery operated, play vehicle, ages 8 and up. Warning, choking hazard, small parts not suitable for children under 3 years. Yeah, that's just nonsense.
Is that the only color, William, or is it more colors?
No, there's yellow, and there's basically yellow. Oh god, I got chocolate on my cheek there. Ignore that.
That's okay.
And there's like 4 of them. There's blue, red, green, and yellow.
Here, let's press and show them. Flip it over. Show them.
That's what it is.
Okay. You got the best color.
Blue. Well, it's not the best. Most people like all of these colors. Blue, red, like I was talking about, green, and yellow.
Sweet.
That's number. Okay, this is number 8. This is number 6. This is number, I think this is 22 and minus 36.
Okay, let's sign off then.
Just before I go, there's also like a remote control that you can control in the water. And when we go to that cabin, there's a huge lake, and it goes up to 80 feet. So I'll just show you it before I go. It says control boat from 80. See, control boat from up to 80 feet away. And we're gonna sign out now.
Bye, guys.
Bye. And we're leaving. Just to let you know, we're leaving the cabin like on Thursday after school. Bye.